going to be doing some investigative work today. Something is eating our sweet peppers. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our trail cam right here and we're going to put it on the sweet peppers and find out who is the culprit. But what I've done in the past that works pretty good is you put a nylon stocking, over your fruit and clip it on there, and when they come up, when the pest or any kind of animal comes up and scratches it, it doesn't feel like the consistency of what the normal pepper is, so it will leave it alone. And it did eat the one right next to it. So we got several more that are coming in for bloom, so I'm going to bring you in real close and show you how to tie these off, and then we'll get it set up and we'll see who the culprit is. Okay, so here's the one that was on there before, and this is the piece that they chewed off. There was another sweet pepper here, and when I found this was actually, the clip was on it, but they had, whatever animal had come at it had actually scratched this down a little bit and exposed it, but then they figured out it must be something that's not what they're used to, so they left it alone. So what we're going to do for this is we have 2 peppers here. We're going to cover one of them. What I use is these little try-on footy stocking things that you get in the shoe stores. You can buy them on Amazon. There's like 140 of them for less than $10. And we're just going to slide it right over the bell pepper. And we're going to bunch it up at the top. And then I got these little arts and crafts clothespins, and we just pinch it off at the top, and that one's done. So we're going to leave this one covered, and we're going to leave this one for bait. And we also have 2 more that we're going to do the same thing up with in case it happens to go after these. And then we're going to set the trail cam on it. So let's see who the culprit is. If you like this video, like and subscribe to this channel. And please leave comments. There'll be lots more adventures coming soon. Well, the Pink Panther has struck again. It not only took the bell pepper, but it also took the stocking and the clothespin that was right here. Let's go check that trail cam and see who the culprit is. You're not gonna believe it. When I was checking the trail cam to see who the culprit was, it strikes again. I didn't get it on video, but it took pepper number 2 and the stocking and the clothespin. Let's see who it is. Let's see that one more time in slow motion. So, what is the moral to this story? Wrap your sweet peppers up in a stocking and a clothespin so that the mouse can take it and carry it away to its home in a nice prepared package. And just on the other side of those plants is a small pond. Wonder what he's after now. I guess he needed some protein. Yep, that's right. It's frog legs for dinner. And another pepper bites the dust. And another one. And even in the rain, Another one bites the dust. This is Misbehaving reminding you, if you got an idea or see something you want to do, get up off of that thing. Make it happen. It'll make you feel better.